Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be giving you a little tour of my road trip. So sit back, relax and enjoy the ride. So guys, I'm on Highway 2000. So I just exit the first toll coming from Maypen side. So I am on my way into Kingston, so enjoy. It's a beautiful day, guys. Look at the greenery at the side. The trees are awesome. Look at it. It's a peaceful day and the journey is peaceful so far. So yes guys, beautiful Highway 2000. Yes, there are many overhead bridges on this highway and this is one coming up. So take a look guys. This bridge is the old school bridge. All right, I'm so loving the journey in on a Sunday. It is so peaceful on the road, so it's really a good journey in today. T1 coming up to a toll booth shortly. So guys, when you're traveling on this highway, there is a total gas station. You can purchase your air gas in and out of Mandeville on the highway if you choose to do so. So we are gonna be seeing this gas station shortly. So guys, the gas station is coming up shortly. So the exit is on your left, right on your left. So you exit right there to go to the gas station. All right. So guys, coming up to the exit to the gas station now. It's on your left. There it is. Okay. So I'm on my way to the toll booth. All right, guys. See you there. And guys, this leg is the PJ Patterson Highway. This is the sign coming up. All right. Sign. toll plaza, 1 kilometer away. There guys, $5.50 for cars on this leg. I'm now at the toll plaza, right? Guys, while I was there, the train passed. So guys, I'm off now to the next part of the journey. Alright, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Guys, look at the road in front of me. St. Thomas, when are we getting something like this? I hope it's very soon. God have mercy. Look how peaceful it is. Look at the beautiful sky. Isn't it lovely? At the gold kid. So this is where you exit now guys, to Ochi. So the exit is in couple meters ahead. Alright, and then the final exit will be Kingston. I'll be on Mandeville soon. The exit in 300 meters. So this is the exit to Ochi, guys. That's the exit. Yes, coming up right there. Ochi and Spanish Town exit, right on your left here, right where that arrow pointing, right, that's the road up there. So Mandeville people normally comes here to go to Ochi. So next up is Kingston City. I'm on my way. Alright. Quite a bit of overhead bridge, guys. You have the March Pen, and you have this one, this other one down here. I forgot what it's called, but I'll get there soon. Yes, they're building houses over there, guys. So guys, this is the Salt Pond Bridge, another overhead one. Alright, There are several of them on the highway 2000.
Birch trees look nice, you guys. Dry arrangement. They look nice. Yes. The plant's not always gonna be green, so we have to appreciate the dry one. This is Bernard Lodge Bridge. Sunset over Kingston. So we're coming up now, guys, to the exit onto Mandeville. This is another bridge, Orange Lane Bridge. The airport and you want to go to Portmore too, you can exit right here. Yes, that's an exit. Yes, get ready. Airport that is. On my way to the final stretch. Always happy when I reach the final stretch of the highway. Guys, I don't really like the highway, you know. I prefer the old roads, but the highway is quicker, nicer, and there you go. There you have it now on Mandeville, guys.
This is where I end the video, guys. Thank you for traveling with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.